Raoul, my final question is has to do with Ethereum. EIP-1559 is launching in a day or two. By the time this interview airs, it'll be launched. What are your thoughts on EIP-1559?
I just wrote an article about this and I called it the greatest trade in the world.
Please go on.
So you're getting the scoop in Global Macro Investor, my kind of institutional research product. This setup is absolutely brilliant. So the chart pattern was this lovely wedge in Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is following the Bitcoin 2017 chart, which would give it an upside projection of 20,000. Backed that up by the network growth, where Ethereum is growing at about 50 to 60% a year in network growth, and Bitcoin's growing at 30% a year. So this is astonishing growth at scale, right? So this is not an early project. We've got all of the developments with NFTs and DeFi and everything, and social tokens, everything's on Ethereum. The chart of Bitcoin versus Ethereum also is going to give a lot of people to switch. All of this is happening at exactly the same time that 1559 is coming. And then you look at the on-chain analysis. Most people spend the time, like Willy Woo, looking at the stuff on Bitcoin, but very few people actually bother with the on-chain analysis of Ethereum. The reality is the amount that's being staked for ETH 2.0 is going up all the time. It's huge numbers. Then the amount that's being put into DeFi and locked away is huge. Then the stuff that's going off the exchanges into hard wallets is enormous. That has left us with a free float of 13%. And 1559 is now going to reduce the supply somewhat, let's say from 4% to 2%. And it's going to probably lower the gas fees a bit. And with the variable block sizes, help with the speed unblocking of the network. So in which case, more transactions will go through, which will mean more burning. So you've got a massively reduced halving of the supply rate, probably, maybe more. You've got 13% of coins on exchange coming off exchange like at 1% a month, 2% a month. So, another couple of months will be 10%. There's no coins. And like NFTs are just showing you demand is exploding. You're set up for an exponential move here because everything has come together all at one point in time. And tomorrow? No, Thursday is the day. Now, does it mean that all happens in one go? No, don't be silly. We'll have corrections. There'll be like, the rumor sell the facts. See, I told you it was wrong. All of that kind of noise. But generally, you look back by December or March of next year, I think what's going to happen as soon as 1559 goes through, everybody who's got a sizable stake will realize that the price is going up. More people will lock into 2.0 to get the yield. Let's say 2.0 comes out in March. You're going to take all the supply off the market and with record demand, and they're all going to be locked until March. Then probably what happens is 2.0 comes out, everybody unlocks, and the great bullish thing is actually a bearish thing, exactly like Coinbase was when the moment Coinbase came out, Bitcoin peaked because people had another opportunity. Everyone's like, this is great for the space. In the end, you change the dynamic. So I think the unlock will probably lower the price. But between now and that unlock, oh my God, this is one of the best setups I've ever seen. I think arguably better than Bitcoin in March 2020. You heard it here first.
Yes, awesome perspective on Ethereum. To watch the full conversation, hear Raoul's perspective on the entire cryptocurrency market, click subscribe, hit the bell notification right now because the full interview drops this weekend in a few short days. Full interview drops in a few short days, maybe already in the video description if you're watching this at a later date. But like always, see you tomorrow. Appreciate you.